Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today we're taking a close-up look at the Star Trio Panel Slimline die. This die is an 8.5 by 11 die. It's going to die cut out 3 star windows from your panel. It will also give an etched line to the edge followed by a stitched line. There's also a stitch line and an etched line around the openings, and the die cut stars will also have an etched line on them. So there is no lack of style to this die. You can use it horizontal or vertical because the stars are set askew. Here you can see the panel all die cut out and the 3 stars. You can see there is the etched line or embossed line as well as the stitched line on both the outer edge and the frame around the star. Again, you can use it horizontal or vertical. Now let's take a look at the fallout stars. They also have the embossed, detailed, or etched line around them. So you can use those on your cards as well, and makes this die even more versatile. Now let's take a look at some projects created by the design team. This shaker card uses the panel I showed you in the video, and I used it to create 3 shaker windows. And this card created by Cassie also is a shaker where she used pattern paper on the top of the card and behind the shaker windows. Jenny Hall created this card with a watercolor wash over the top and a pop of color behind those stars. If you'd like even more inspiration from Trinity Stamps, you can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'll see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.